you tired of traditional studying methods that leave you feeling bored and unproductive? Well, get ready to revolutionize your learning journey with Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to supercharge your learning using Notion's powerful features combined with the effectiveness of flashcards. In the navigation section, you'll have access to both your classes and cards. I've also included a database just to keep everything organized. In order to create a new class, just go to Classes and then you can either click on New or Here, and a default new class template will pop up. Now you just have to change the name and the cover. You can, of course, use the cover that you want, upload a photo or whatever of your own, but I'm gonna go to Unsplash and search for biology. Biology, and I'm gonna choose this one. You can reposition it, and that's pretty much it. And as you can see, each class has its own deck of cards. You can see, once you've created your class, it's time to create the cards. To do that, you can click on Cards, and as you can see, the cards are divided by class and by our level of knowledge, allowing you to focus on what you really want. To create a new card, just click on New, and by default a new card template will pop up. Now you just have to formulate the question, which is gonna be, I've got here a question prepared, and the answer. Set class, biology, the knowledge you have on that card, and by default the repetition date will be on the date that you created the card, but of course you can change it. If you click on navigation, you'll go to the main page. First thing we have to do is to add our new class. So let's duplicate this history class, change the name and the filter, instead of history, biology, and that's it. It's pretty easy. Now you can either study all the cards or by class. For this example, I'm just gonna study science. And of course, let's start for those cards that our knowledge is low. First, let's update the date, and by doing that, as you can see, there's another date that updates too. That's the new repetitions date, and it'll tell you based on your knowledge when to repeat that card. As you can see, because our knowledge on that card is low, our next repetition will be tomorrow. Okay, let's start. What is the biggest planet in our solar system? The answer, Jupiter. And now let's see if we are right or wrong. To reveal the answer, click on Reveal. And as you can see, we're right. Now let's say that your knowledge on this card is pretty good, so let's drag it to good knowledge. And as you can see, the next repetition date will be in 8 days. If our knowledge is moderate, the next day will be in 4 days. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this template very useful. If that's the case, you can download it for free. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed the video, a like will be very appreciated. And if you like my content and want to see more templates, don't forget to subscribe. With that being said, I hope you ace your exams, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!